I guess it depends, because right now it doesn't seem like it's not very exciting outside with the little gloomy look we're starting off with this morning.
And it all kind of depends on what you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
I do think for some of us, there could be some showers and storms coming our way. That might be a little excitement for you. And then I think we've got some much cooler air coming in on the other side of that. But that's not till Thursday and Friday. For today, it's going to be a repeat of kind of the gray and the gloomy with more clouds than clear. Enough, I think, sunshine, or at least breaks of sunshine to get our temperatures up into the 70s. And then overnight, we'll probably see more areas stay up over 60 as the clouds get a little thicker and the wind shift a little bit more towards the south and east. I don't see much on the radar around here right now. I don't expect we're going to find much on the radar around here, not today, but maybe this time Thursday morning could be a pretty busy time. We're at 59 right now in Tallahassee, 55 in Thomasville, it's 54 in Valdosta. Got plenty of moisture out there, but a good breeze helping to stir things up, so we're not going to find any kind of dense fog this morning. How about some more 59s at Quincy and at Marianna? It's a little warmer at Apalachicola at 63. Some of the cooler spots, Perry matching Valdosta at 54. And that breeze today is more east and turning more towards the southeast. That'll bring in some more of the warmer, more of the humid, and more of the unstable. The more instability we generate when this mess gets here, it can trigger some big storms. Take a look at parts of North Texas and Oklahoma. They've got some tornado watches. I see one tornado warning and several severe thunderstorm warnings. North of that, it changes from rain to snow, especially when you get up into the northern plain states, and that snow extends all the way back to the Rocky Mountains. So a very large storm system working its way across the country, and we're going to get clipped by the far southern extension of this. I still think it can trigger some bigger thunderstorms, especially depending on the timing. Usually, if it was coming through more in the afternoon, it would be a bigger concern, but I can't rule out a couple of stronger thunderstorms, even if it comes through in the morning, and we've got a couple of days to fine tune and see whether it slows down a little bit or speeds up a little bit. The coolest air is probably a half day or more behind the boundary. So we bring the boundary and we get those chances for showers and storms early on Thursday. It should clear out maybe by lunchtime or shortly after. Then it's going to take a little while for that cooler air to filter in. So it's not immediate, but I definitely think it's going to feel real different out there on Friday compared to all the other days this week. Small crafts use some caution on the Gulf today. Not going to change tomorrow. Winds out of the east and southeast 12 to 22 and maybe even getting higher. We've got 50s. We've got lots of clouds. Most areas just very mild this morning and kind of waiting. Same with this afternoon, just kind of waiting. More clouds than sun. Any breaks of sunshine can get us into the mid-70s. I'll leave the rain chances fairly small for today, like 10%. How about low 60s overnight tonight? So more areas keeping it up over 60 as the clouds stay thick and that breeze stays from the east and southeast. Here's that 7-day forecast. Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, still pretty warm. I mean, this time of year, highs are supposed to be in the mid-60s, lows are supposed to be in the low to mid-40s. But we get to Friday and that breeze, big change is coming. Going to feel real different out there. This weekend, we may not see 60 for highs, and we may have 30s for lows.